place the body showers.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Don't put 4 body showers on the same line.
Yes, sir.
Never put that. Because if you are standing unless and until you are this big, you will not get the showering experience. Okay? Always put it in a straight line or from the side. There are 2 side walls. You place 2 on each side. That is how you do that. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So let's see the height. So minimum from the floor, the lowest one is at 600 mm.
600.
So its mouth is at 600 mm. Then each body showers is between 300 mm each. This sits between that. And the controller is again at 1000 mm. Right?
Yes, sir.
1000 to 1100 mm. That's why the controller will be. Shower as usual will be at what? 2100 mm. 7 feet.
Yes, sir.
If you want, you can go to 8 feet height. If it is a ceiling or
Ceiling shower. For ceiling, as the ceiling level.
Fall ceiling. You can do it on the fall ceiling also. Because after the rain shower, rain shower.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if you want to actually enjoy the experience of a rain shower, it should always be on the fall ceiling.
Yes, sir.
Wall, it will not be very effective.
Yes,
so bigger showers and say something which is about even 400 by 400. उसके ऊपर जो showers है, it's always advisable to have it on the ceiling. I have showers which is 1 meter shower. The shower itself is 1 meter. Okay? So 1 meter, 1000 by 750 mm. So those kind of showers you should always ideally pull over the wall ceiling. Okay? Yeah.
Concealed, sir. Concealed.
Concealed. What is it? That one. That yellow color one.
Strainer. Why strainer, sir?
Why do you use white strainer?
Like a why, sir.
इसका पर्पस क्या है?
सर इन जाली है सर जो पानी को साफ करेगी और जो छोटे मोटे कण होंगे उसको आगे नहीं जाने देंगे.
See, 90% of the cases, okay, or at least 85% of the cases, what happens is they don't have a white strainer. Okay? Most of the products face problems because of this one. There is no dust. All the dust which is there in your tank, it comes into your product. Okay? And then decay starts happening. Dust accumulation starts happening. Flow of water comes down. All this happens only because of not putting a white strainer.
Yes, sir.
When you are training somebody, please make it sure that from the tank, the light which comes into your bathroom should have a white strainer. Pressure will not change. Some people say that no, after putting a white strainer, the pressure will come down. No problem. You put the white strainer first, and after that you turn your pressure down. वही है ना?
Yes, sir.
If you put a white strainer, the pressure might come down. So you put a white strainer first, and then put a pressure pump so that you have the required pressure.
Yes, sir.
But make it mandatory in your training somebody, make it mandatory to suggest a white strainer for each and every product. Okay? Each and every bathroom. At least one for each house. Right? Because from the time where it comes. This will save a lot of trouble in terms of maintaining the product.